Well, that was a big shop. Here we go. So we've got some pasta, tomatoes, 2 onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 1, 2, 3, 4 mushrooms, a lot of olives, and some tomato puree. Okay, let's get cooking. So first, I'm going to chop my onions. Cut these up nice and thin. Get a grown-up to help you. Now, we've got the garlic. I love garlic. 1 clove, 2 cloves of garlic. Now, let's chop some mushrooms. I've got some lovely olives here. Some very nice olives. I'm going to heat up some olive oil in the pan. Lots of olive oil. When the oil is hot, put in the onions and garlic. Put on the lid and let them cook for 10 minutes. Every few minutes, stir the onions and garlic. Give it another stir. George is a great help here. George likes cooking. Do you like cooking? George?
Yes?
Are the onions ready? Are they done? Okay, give them a bit longer then. So, the onions are nearly done. I'm going to put in the mushrooms. And the olives. And stir them. So I've put in half a tube of tomato puree, about 100 grams of tomato puree, and then let it cook for 3 or 4 minutes with the onions, mushrooms, garlic and olives. Now we add a tin of tomatoes. These are whole tomatoes, so we can mash them up a bit. Mash them up a bit. Make them small. Okay. Smells really nice. add a few dried herbs. Stir it. George, do you want to stir again?
Yes, please.
Okay, here we go. Very good. Very good, George. That looks great. Lovely. And now, let the tomato sauce cook for at least 20 minutes. Nice and slowly. So, the water for the pasta is boiling. I'll put in some salt. And then I'm going to put in all the pasta. These are tagliatelle, but you can use spaghetti or any kind of pasta you like. I'm going to cook it all because we're hungry. Cook the pasta for 8 or 9 minutes. Let's drain the pasta carefully. We'll drain the pasta. Get a grown-up to help you. It's very hot. The tomato sauce is ready. It's lovely and rich and red. We add the tomato sauce to the pasta. Let's mix that up. Mix the sauce with the pasta. Lovely. So the pasta is ready. There's a nice green salad here. And I think we're ready to eat now. What do you think, George?
Yes, we're ready. Everyone, it's dinner time.